Hello everyone, welcome to Ignite Careers YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to look into how to install Python in Windows and Linux machines. So go to Chrome and type Python download. The very first page that appears is Python's original website. Just hit Windows and you can download the installer file of your machine's type. So my machine is of 64-bit, so I am going to download 64-bit. So it has been downloaded. Just hit double click and it asks for it pops in security warning. Just hit run. Here choose custom installation. Hit next, then check the box to add Python to environment variable. Also enable the precompiled standard libraries. If you want to install the Python for all users, you can specify it here. As of my computer, I have only one user, so I am just skipping it. Yes, Python has been successfully installed. You can verify it through command line. Just go to command prompt and then type Python version. This pops out the currently installed Python version. So currently we have installed Python 3.12 in our machine. So we have successfully installed our Python in our machine. So now we are going to look into how to install Python in Linux, especially in Debian flavor of version 12. We can install Python through apt repository, that is through internet, or through deb file, or through tar files. So in this video we are going to look into how to install Python through apt command. So this is the only command that we require to install Python in Debian. So sudo apt get install Python 3. Just hit Y. Yes, Python has been installed successfully. We can ensure it through Python 3 by entering into Python's interpreter. Just hit enter after typing Python 3. Now we can use some simple print statements to ensure Python's installation. Print yes, Python has been successfully installed. So that's all about today's video. Thanks everyone for watching.